Halo teman-teman, ketemu lagi dengan live informasi. Kali ini saya ada di Maumere Manise teman-teman. Di sini di Pelabuhan Maumere teman-teman. Dan kebetulan hari ini banyak raja laut. Para raja lautan sedang berkumpul di Maumere, yaitu teman-teman. Ada kapal pengangkut kendaraan dan alat berat, kapal Dharma Rucitra 7 dari Surabaya, kemudian ada kapal Sirimao KM Maliku Nusa, kemudian ada kapal Ganda Nusantara, ada kapal Ileape, dan ada kapal Meratus, dan masih beberapa kapal lagi, saya belum data tadi namanya. Bagaimana kondisi dan situasinya di pelabuhan dan di kolam pelabuhan Maumere teman-teman, tonton video ini sampai selesai. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe, karena like dan subscribe itu adalah tidak bayar. Agar tidak ada dusta di antara kita teman-teman, silahkan tulis komentar cus.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.